Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to set up DroidCam OBS so you can use your phone as a webcam. First, you will need to have OBS Studio already installed on your computer. Once you have got that, download the DroidCam plugin. So, let's open up your browser and search for DroidCam OBS. I will head to the first website, scroll down to find the OBS plugin and hit download. Once that's finished downloading, I will start the installer. With the plugin installed, let's open up OBS Studio. Now, switch over to your phone. Open the Play Store and search for the DroidCam OBS app and install it. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to open it up. This app is pretty simple to set up. Once it's open, you will see it displays an IP address on the screen. You must connect your phone and PC to same Wi-Fi. Now back in OBS Studio, we are going to click the plus icon in the source panel and select DroidCam OBS. A new window will pop up and click OK. So in new window, you will see a field for the Wi-Fi IP. This is where we type in the IP address that's showing on the DroidCam app on your phone. Once you have typed it in, just click activate. And just like that, you will see the video feed from your phone appear right here in OBS. I will click OK. And that's it. Your phone is now working as a camera in OBS. I really hope this quick tutorial was helpful for you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.